Namaste and a very warm welcome to week 5 of our 6 weeks Yoga for Beginners journey. Standing in Tadasana with our feet parallel, stand tall, roll up your shoulders. Now let go of any stiffness in your arms. Let your arms be really free and move your torso from left to right. As you turn your body from side to side, let your arms fall heavily on your body. Arms are loose, moving freely and falling heavy on the body. Keep breathing through your nostrils. Coming back to center and clap your hands forward and backward. Still standing straight. Now stretch your arms to your side and we are going to make circles with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now a simultaneous action. Left arm goes up, right comes down. Right up, left down. Keep your arms straight and keep switching the arm position. One arm goes up, the other comes down, and stretch the top arm as much as you can. Whenever you stretch, lengthen your spine as much as you can, as if your crown wants to touch the ceiling. Inhale, take both your arms up. Exhale, bring your arms in front of you. Now on the next exhale, bend your knees and come into chair pose, Utkat Asana. Hold this for 10 seconds. If 10 is too much, you can hold it for maybe 5. Inhale, rise, exhale, arms by your side. Now bend your knees slightly, place your hands behind the knees and start rolling your knees. 2, 3, knee circles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good for your knee joint. Okay, back to your standing position. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, come into your chair pose one more time, holding it for 10 seconds. Again, don't force yourself or push yourself, just listen to your breath and body. Inhale, rise, exhale, arms by your side. Let's get ready for Rakshasana tree pose. Shifting the weight onto the right side, bend the left knee, open it up, place your left foot on the inside of right thigh. Or you can place your foot on the floor anywhere above or below your knee. Hands in prayer position, standing tall, straight and firm like a tree. Gaze at a point in front of you. Now from there, bring your left knee forward. Place your left ankle just behind the right knee. Hands in prayer position. As you exhale, bend your right knee and sit as low as possible. Breathe. Now for all the standing balances, stay close to a wall, and that gives us the psychological peace of I can hold on to the wall if I lose my balance. Alright, coming out of this pose, and let's take it to the other side. This time we shift the weight on the left side of the body, bending the right knee, turn it open, placing the right foot wherever you find your balance, above or below the knee. Standing tall. Hands in prayer position, gazing at a point in front of you, breathing smoothly through your nose. Strong, humble trees we are, firmly rooted and growing up. Okay, now placing the right ankle just behind the left knee, bending the left knee. Okay, and sit as low as available. Keep your back straight. No need to shrug your shoulders up or round your back. And like I said, for all the standing balances, stay close to the wall. You can even take support of the wall. Gently coming out of it. Now we will stand at the top of our mat getting ready for warrior poses. So go towards the top of the mat, standing straight. And from there we will step back with the left foot. Now we will turn the left foot in at about 45 degrees. Bring your body forward, bending the right knee. Take your arms up towards the ceiling. Hold it for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. From the warrior 1 position, we will open up for warrior 2, standing with our feet wide apart. Turn out the right foot at 90 degrees, bending the right knee. Stretch your arms out by your side and gaze at your right fingertips. Breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now drop your left hand down. Inhale, take the right arm up towards the ceiling and take your gaze up to the ceiling. Now bring your arms parallel to the floor, straighten your legs, relax your arms and jump back to a standing position. Now we will take the sequence to the other side. So from Tadasana, we will step back with the right foot. We will turn the right foot at about 45 degrees, left knee bent, body facing forward, arms up, gaze up, warrior 1 on the other side. Gently coming out of it, and we will turn open for Veerabhadrasana 2, warrior 2. So standing with our feet wide apart, turning the left foot out at 90 degrees, left knee bent, arms stretched out parallel to the floor, and we will turn the gaze to the left fingertips, holding it strong and steady. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take the left arm up towards the ceiling and your gaze is up at the ceiling. Coming back and coming out of it. Jump back and come to a standing position. And from here we will come onto our knees. We are on our knees and curl your toes under. When you do that, you are getting a good stretch in your ankles and your soles. So this is our position, the way we will sit. That is the stretch we will get in the lower body. And now we will have our arms in eagle arm position. So elbow on elbow. As of now, my left elbow is on top of right. Holding the eagle arms for about 5 to 8 seconds. If you can, take it to 10 seconds, switch the arm position. Again, 10 seconds. If that is too much for now, hold it for 5 seconds. It's a very good stretch not only for your arms, but for your upper back and shoulders as well. And relieves stiffness in the neck too. Okay, now the toes are relaxed and we are in Vajrasan. From there, place your left hand at the navel, right on top. Exhale and pull your belly in towards the spine. As you have fully exhaled, lower your upper body, bring it parallel to the ground, elbows pointing out, and we are in Manduk Asana. Stay there for as long as you can hold your exhalation. When you want to inhale, rise, breathe normally, and let's do it one more time. Another way of doing it is making fist with your thumbs curled under your fingers, placing the fist on either side of the belly button. Exhale fully, empty your stomach, and then bring your upper body parallel to the floor, elbows pointing out. holding the pose, and when you want to breathe in, rise and breathe smoothly. When your breathing is normal, release the Vajrasan pose and sit with your legs stretched out in front of you, Dandasana. Now we will bend our right knee and place the right foot on the outside of your left leg. Inhale, stretch your right arm up. Exhale, send it behind you, and with your left elbow, push your right knee, turning your body over to your right shoulder, Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Keep breathing while you are holding this pose and gently coming out of it. Now, bring your legs out to the side with your knees one on top of the other. Gomukhasana leg position, and maybe you want to massage your inner arches here. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, fold forward and spider walk your hands as further away from the body as you can. Drop your head. Getting a good stretch, not just in your lower body, but in the back and shoulders as well. Spider walk your hands towards the right. Back to the center and then to the left. Coming back to the center. Now walk your hands back towards the body and rise. Send your hands behind you, release your legs. Let's take the sequence to the other side. This time bend the left knee, send your left foot on the outside of the right leg. Inhale, left arm goes up. Exhale, send it behind you. With your right elbow, push your left knee in. Breathe deep. And coming out of it, now bringing your legs in Gomukhasana position. This time the left knee is on top of the right. Massage your arches one more time. It's very relaxing. You can do it as many times throughout the day as you want. Now inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Spider walk your hands away from the body and then let go of your neck. Breathing deep here. Maybe close your eyes. Spider walk to the left. Coming back to the center and walk to your right. Back to the center and with an inhalation rise. Send your hands behind you, fingers facing forward. Now the knees are still bent with your feet parallel to each other. Open up your chest, push your sternum out. And from there, inhale and lift your hips off the floor, coming into reverse tabletop position. Keep gazing at your belly button, or if it feels okay, you can drop your neck. Only if it's okay with you. Otherwise, keep gazing at your belly button. Coming out of it, and from there, hug yourself. Hold on to your knees and bring them in towards your body. Nicely done. Now we will sit with our legs crossed. Take any comfortable seated position. Maybe Ardha Padmasana, the half lotus, is more comfortable for you. From here, we are going to do Brahmari Pranayama. Index fingers on your foreheads, remaining 3 fingers cupping your eyes, and thumb closing the ear. Inhale through the nose. As you exhale, start humming like a bee. At your own pace, deep inhalations, deeper exhalations, and on each exhalation, start humming like a honeybee. breathing at your own pace. Brahmari Pranayama, or the humming bee's breath, is very relaxing, calming, and it increases our awareness and attention. You can start by practicing it for 5 to 10 breaths, and you will gradually feel like increasing the duration and the number of the breaths. That's how relaxing this breathing technique is. Gently releasing the hands and coming back to normal breathing. And when you feel ready, lie on your mat, lying flat on the mat. And before we head to Shavasana, we will do one more stretch. For that, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. So we are doing the lying bound angle pose. You can either stay there, or if it's okay with you, lift your knees, hold on to your ankles, or you can interlock your fingers over your toes and stay there. In doing so, don't lift your head. Head, shoulders, back, absolutely relaxed on the mat. A very good stretch for your hips, groins, inner thighs, and your lower back. All right, now release the pose. Send your legs back on the mat. Now from there, raise your right leg and drop it. Raise your left leg, drop it. Raise your right arm, drop it. Left arm, drop it freely. Now close your eyes. Breathe easy and let it go. You are absolutely relaxed, breathing deeper and smoother. Just let it go. I thank you all for joining me in this practice. Continue with this practice for week 5, and we will meet next week for week 6 practice. And not just that, there are so many other videos on my channel that you can scroll through and keep up with your practice. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Namaste.